Hi, how you doing today? Joe Camerato here, CEO and founder of National Business Capital. In this video, we're going to talk real quickly about how to get a $250,000 business loan. So in order to qualify for $250,000, there's really two ways that you can do this. Lenders now will look at just purely cash flow and don't need real estate, so that's a great thing. Or if you have business to business or B2B receivables, we can unlock those receivables and you can access $250,000 very easily. It's never been easier to qualify for $250,000 without real estate. It's pretty amazing. You're gonna need at least a 600 FICO score, and we're gonna wanna see that you're in business for at least 1 to 2 years. Showing a profit is good, but it's not always necessary. But what's most important is you're gonna need to be doing at least about $175,000 a month in gross sales. So most lenders will give you about 1 to 1.5 times your monthly gross sales. What's really great, again, you don't need real estate. You can apply very easily in one place with us. We can match you to that right lender and have a number of options back to you very quickly. There are terms today from 1 to 10 years. You can use a business loan just purely based on cash flow. There's also SBA loans that are available that go out to 10 years, and the rates are prime plus 2%. But then there's also unlocking your B2B receivables. So if you've got receivables, if you're selling to Target, Walmart, or other just decent sized B2B companies, they don't have to be as big as Target to Walmart, you can instantly gain access to $250,000 in a revolving ongoing type of relationship. So those are really the main core options today without using real estate. What's really great, and the reason why we started National Business Capital, is we wanted to make it simple and easy for owners to access financing. That's our mission. So we have over 75 lenders in one place. You apply digitally, we do a secure bank connection, and literally in minutes and hours, we can have you approved for up to $250,000, and we can have you funded in as little as a few hours to as little as a few days. More importantly, we have a really seasoned and highly educated team here. You get your own business financing advisor that you can ask questions to. They'll answer those questions, they'll explain your options, and sometimes there might be other options available that I didn't mention in this video that may make more sense depending on your opportunity or challenge in your business. And sometimes those challenges are opportunities. To get started, click the link above or below and apply, or simply just give us a phone call. We'll talk through all those different options that are available, let you know what you need. And if you're not there sales-wise, then what I suggest is there are other options available. Even if you get approved for less, start and build the financing relationship, and you can continue to access money along the way on your growth and mission in building your business. I hope you found this video helpful. I want to wish you nothing but success in building and growing your business, and make sure that you keep growing. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk soon.